Members of the press, fellow residents of Siaya County, ladies and gentlemen, I address you today with a deep concern over the current political events unfolding in Siaya County, especially the threats by the County Assembly to impeach the governor. First and foremost, accountability in leadership is important and must never be ignored. Every public office holder must remain answerable to the people and to the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. However, accountability must be genuine, consistent, and free from political hypocrisy. The people of Siaya are watching closely, and they deserve honesty from all leaders and institutions entrusted with power. For a long time, the County Assembly of Siaya failed to fully exercise its constitutional mandate of oversight, representation, and legislation. Instead of standing firmly with the people of Siaya during difficult moments, the members were silent, prioritizing political convenience and loyalty to the executive at the expense of the people they were elected to serve. The members and the leadership of the Siaya County Assembly must stop sycophancy and flattery of small gods at the expense of our people. You have been praising and worshipping the executive. Your romantic love relationship with the executive at the expense of your constitutional roles has costed the people of this county development and proper representation. When Siaya became the bedroom of corruption, you were silent. Same you approved it. You approved them. When ECD teachers were being robbed of their hard-earned salaries, you remained silent and you were in the bed with the oppressors. When our nurses were being beaten in broad daylight, you were silent. When our brothers and sisters in business, the contractors, were given tenders and your darling failed to pay them, some went into depression, some were auctioned. Yet you laughed in bed with the oppressors, while your people suffered with no one to defend them. Members of the County Assembly of Siaya and its leadership, I say again, shame on you to come out at this time that you want to impeach the governor. You have failed this county